Alright, let's try this again. Today I am loading up some wood from the dump trailer into a wheelbarrow and then into the back of the truck for now. After that I got a couple of displays to fill. Pants are falling down on me. Guess I need to tighten my belt. This is really good looking wood. It even sounds good, smells good. Damn good load. I appreciate my suppliers. I gotta do my customers right. My customers ain't happy, they ain't gonna do repeat business, and repeat business is good for business. So as you know, some of you know, a face cord is 3 rows in the back of the pickup truck. I got an 8-foot bed, so I can fit up to a half cord. But if you got a 6-foot bed, you're only going to get a face cord anymore. And when you stack it across like this, being 3 is a face cord, 1 is a third of a face cord, and I sell that for $60 delivered. A lot of my customers don't have a lot of space, so I offer smaller amounts. A lot of people around here only deliver quarters, and well, that leaves a market out there for somebody, and I decided to be that somebody. Cherry in here and some oak. Looks like some poplar maybe. I'm not the best with wood identification yet, but there's several species that I can tell really easily. I deal with them all the time, especially my cherry. Alright, probably gonna need about one more. When this gets too low toward the back of the trailer, that's when I start to tip it, and all the wood comes right back to me. Makes things a lot easier. It is really cool right now. I think it's 28. Tomorrow I plan on being out here a little bit longer, try to get some bundles made, I think. I can't even tell if I'm still recording. This here load is going out to Sonia here in town. Good people, known her for years. She's a part-time waitress at Starlight Bar over toward Fayette City. I guess it's actually Washington Township. I used to go shoot pool there in the pool league, but I've been doing firewood on Thursdays instead now. And actually, since I have, business is pretty much doubled. But that could also be due to the weather, I imagine. Colder it is, the more customers I get. Been busy as hell for a couple months straight now, and it has become a full-time gig. Too many hours in the day go to this when it was a hobby, and I'm really actually glad that I did. And we've built up a good client base and I think a decent reputation. Try to do good for my customers, keep them happy. Alright, let me try this out. Let's see if that's enough. Should be. Okay, a lot of you people are scared of these knots. They are a pain in the butt when you are rolling a bundle. However, that wood is really dense and it burns even better. Pull up my pants a little bit. Alright. Please keep that to the side. It's going to go into the personal burn pile. losing my pants again. Yeah, throw my damn gloves everywhere. I think I need a few more pieces. I've been a little busy. Come on, Mike. There you go. Well, it just fits real nice. Other times, not so nice. Alright, I think maybe a couple more pieces in this one. And I gotta load that cart next to it also. And let's raise this puppy up. Second cylinder. And it should be good. Yeah, that's good and up in the air. Let all the wood come to me. Yeah, you can even see inside now. Wood avalanches are always fun. That was one. Okay, Mike really needs to tighten up his belt. Losing my pants again. little on the chilly side. I might take a break. Let's see if I've actually been recording this whole time or just talking to myself. Look my pants up again. I'm gonna pull them up high this time. So a couple of these smaller pieces, and this one here. Got one more small one. Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks full to me. Start on the other one. My nose is dripping. I should say running, not dripping. I do not like empty space in my rack, because I'm sure my customers don't either. Make sure they get all the wood they pay for. Oops. I am standing on a railroad tie that is holding all the millings in my driveway. So there's a few inch drop right there. Try to keep myself enough room for when I'm dumping the trailer so I can stand back here and do this and don't have to be down lower. It makes it easier to get at the wood. Happens to be just the right length to do it. Things just work out well sometimes if you have half an idea. Always good to come up with a game plan. Get things knocked out. And it's always good to have an after action review when you are done doing whatever to figure out what you can do better next time. Easier. So that's pretty good. The pants aren't falling down yet. That's good. At least they waited till I got here to fall out. It was very nice of them. Getting there, getting there. I'm gonna be a couple pieces short again. I didn't account for those other pieces in that shelf. Let's see, probably about, imagine 8 will do. I think one of Jackie's cats peeked on my sidewalk. Should be plenty. Got a few small pieces in there too. Fill up the crevices. Tomorrow is going to be like 12 degrees warmer, so I plan on making bundles tomorrow. I am not going to fit that piece in there. I'll fit this one in it. Put an extra couple pieces on top just to keep them happy. Smoke break. Why are you still recording?